the language of law. Part 5, Procedural Default. Welcome to the language of law. This series explains how legal language shapes what people are allowed to understand about justice. Imagine a rule that says you must raise an issue at exactly the right time, in exactly the right way, in exactly the right court, or you lose it forever. That's procedural default. It does not ask whether the claim is true. It does not ask whether the conviction is reliable. It asks one question: did you follow the procedural steps? If a lawyer fails to object at trial, default. If an issue isn't raised properly on appeal, default. If a claim isn't presented in the correct post-conviction petition, default. Even if the underlying constitutional claim is strong. Courts often say, we cannot reach the merits because the claim is procedurally barred. That language sounds technical, harmless. But what it means is this: the court will not decide whether your rights were violated because the paperwork was wrong. There are narrow exceptions: cause and prejudice, actual innocence, but those standards are steep by design. Procedural default protects finality. It protects structure. It protects the system. It does not necessarily protect accuracy. Next, we'll talk about what happens when procedural default meets federal habeas review and why the bar gets even higher.